There are goal line scrambles, and then there are defensive shambles. Alright lads, welcome to a double squad builder. You don't see many of them around. But basically, there are two very cheap, affordable squads for some of you. And I'm just going to be running through them. Right, we're going to start off in this 4-2-2 with Marc-Andre ter Stegen. He's a very good keeper. For me, he hasn't played that brilliantly. But for other people, my friends and stuff, they've said he's a great keeper. So I'm going to take their word for it and presume that he is basically God. Anyway, at right back we have got Sebastian Jung. Bought him for 650 coins. He's played, what was it? Where are we looking? 26 games. He's a good, affordable right back. Like basically everyone is in this team. And obviously you can improve these teams easily with a bit more Wonga. Just I wanted to make some cheap teams that I could easily get to Division 1 offline and get myself a nice and tidy amount of coins in my bank. Anyway, the first centre-back that we are going to slot into this team is Benedict Howardis. He's a great centre-back. He's lacking, but what he lacks in pace, he makes up for his defending and physical. 6'2". Couldn't ask for more really. 1,000 odd coins. Right, and the other centre-back is going to be Jeremy Mathieu. And I don't know why Barcelona signed him, because he's about 362 years old. But anyway, 76 pace, 82 defending, 81 physical, 6'4". You know, great player. 3,500 coins. Not much else you can get from him. And then at left back we are going to have Bennett Tramolinas. Left footed, high attacking, you know, he's just there basically. He's cheap. Obviously you can improve him with whoever you want really, pretty much. Anyway, the first CDM we are going to put into this team is Sergio Dolphin Busquets. You know, he's known for his diving, 6,500 coins. He's just there to make up the numbers, basically. Our other CDM is going to be Big Sven Bender. He plays for Dortmund, high work rates, fits into the squad. He's just there. And now, for the most expensive player of these two teams is Ivan Rakitic. And he's 13k. And I bought him quite a while ago. And his price has probably gone down now, but he hasn't played that great for me. I want to try his inform, but well, I wanted to try his inform if he played well for me, but he hasn't really done it. So nah. All right, our other cam, not Rodriguez, it will be Maxim. Now I only got him for his 5-star skills and stuff. He's a good player, but he could be better, and obviously you can improve this team with better players. Because Maxim is one of those free slots. Yeah, he is. Because we have Adrian Ramos. And obviously, he gets... you can just have a Bundesliga cam there. And you'll be alright. Because he won't get any dead links going into him. And then our other striker is Rodrigo. Now, these two up front are deadly. So you can see their goal record there. They're pretty decent. Bought Rodrigo for 4,700 coins and Ramos for 7k. Now, that team is a great side, 4-2-2-2. It can be improved, but that is what I like to have, you know, and it's done good for me. Now, the second team, we start off with Stefan Ruffier. He has bought him for 2,200 coins. Not much you can ask for. You know, he's just a keeper. He's just there, basically. He's had one game where he's amazing for me, but other than that, he's just been there, basically. I would think Sirigu is better, but I don't think you can get him into this side. No, you can't. But right back, we have Maicon Douglas Cisiendo, also known as Maicon. Now, he's a has-been, basically. He's had some good seasons at Roma. He's got good stats, but you know, he used to be playing for top sides, and now he's playing for Roma, which are a top side, but yeah, of course. Anyway, our first centre-back is going to be Kerbrat. 350 coins, 74 pace, 78 defend, 79 physical. Not much else, you know, you want in a centre-back. Maybe you could be a bit taller, but, you know, that's it. And at our other centre-back, we have Titi. Again, his stats are very similar, and I bought him for 350 coins also. So that's pretty nice. And then at left back we have Balenciaga. Balenciaga. Bought him for 400 coins. Spanish, Bilbao. Great player. And then the reason why we have that left back is because we got Beñat Extrabarria Urquiaga, also known as Beñat. Anyway, 1,500 coins. Great player. Great shot on him. Good passing stat. Good free kicks. Very good free kicks. At Cam, we are going to have Quintero. 500 coins. He's a very good player to have. Is 27, 11 goals, 13 assists. I think the stats lie. He's been very good for me. Our other centre mid is Pjanic, Miralem Pjanic from Bosnia. Great stats, great penalties, and his all-round stats are absolute class. You can also have Kevin Strootman there, but I've gone for Pjanic. At right wing we have Jan Manuel Iturbe, 3,500 coins, 29 games, 16 goals, 4-star skills, 92 pace, left-footed so he can cut in. Just a great player, really. Up front, we've got big Jackson Martinez. 28 goals in 29 games. He's not as good as he was on FIFA 14. On FIFA 14, he was good, but this game, he's not quite up there. And at our left wing spot, we have Muniain. 87 pace, 85 dribbling, 73 shots, 71 passing, 4-star steal moves. But yeah, those are the two teams. I'd advise you to go out and buy them. They are very good teams. But obviously you can, if you've got the coins, you can improve the squad quite easily. But yeah, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video.